Hi loves, and welcome back to my channel. If this channel is something that you're interested in watching, please make sure you subscribe and you hit that notification bell so that when you upload you get notified. Without taking much of your time, let's get right into today's video, which is unboxing these two packages. But first we are going to start with Lovisa because I'm slowly updating my jewelry collection. This thing, you just don't build it at once, so I had to go step by step. Y'all, if you're frugal like myself, sometimes Lovisa will, humble you. Item number one, I got this set of three hoops. So you have two golds and one silver, but because today I'm wearing gold, let's do some try and haul with those two gold. However, this is not how I will be pairing them because I feel like the second hoop is quite, chunky-ish, and the first one is, very thin, and also the gap size is huge. So I'm gonna do this one just for today, a work vibe, and we need to dress my hands because they naked. So I got a set of this full silver rings, and because my finger is really short, so I'll have to wear these thin sizes almost all the time, but today I'm gonna wear this chunky, and I can only wear one at once because I don't want to be too crowded. And up next is this mini chunk silver hoops. They're very light, as you can see. It doesn't really weigh that much on your ears, that's why I like them, but they look classy. Then again, I got my hands on this one. Mind you, it's not that Bottega dupe that we know. It just has a moon like shape. It's quite heavy, and I was so excited to get it from the premium side as well. I feel like this one will last me for long, but then again, I only have to wear it once and not for long hours because it is quite heavy. Next, I got this bracelet. As someone who has a very small wrist, I struggle to get the bracelet that fits me properly, but thank God to Lovisa, it came through for us. So you have this adjustable bracelet, so what you do when you wear it, you kind of pull one of the strings or two at once to get the right size of your wrist. And I'm finally set with the silver bracelet. All I am left with is the gold bracelet that I will be pairing with this watch, and I think this one is also classy because you can wear it on its own. And then up next we got this set of three choker necklaces. Initially I was going for the first one there. As you can tell from the bracelet, I needed someone to pair the bracelet with. Yeah, that's how I buy things. And I saw this set of three. I was like, this is a combo. I'm not going to sleep on this one. I kind of like it because it has different style to it as well, or designs, so I can wear it classy. There's one that I can wear when I'm dressing formal. There's another one that I can pair with outfit that I'm just chilling at home. Lovisa came through for me, literally. I'm so excited, and I kind of love me some silver. Okay, and thank you, Lovisa. Finally, we're gonna unbox the second package that I got from my favorite brands. As you all know, if you're on this channel, I'm obsessed with the Fitz. And then this time I only ordered 3 items because that's what I was looking for. And oh my goodness, previously I unboxed one pair of hoops, and I said I was gonna order another pair because I kind of liked how small they were, and I was just gonna wear this one to work. So they're gonna be a set of 2 hoops like this one, but very minimal because I am going to work, and also I can't wear 3. I feel like it's gonna be too much work wise. And I got this necklace as well. It is waterproof as per the description, because I have been buying these necklaces every now and then. I mean, like every 3 months or 6 months, because I like me a necklace with cross pendant. But finally I got, I guess, a real one that will last me for at least a year, to save me time and money, because God knows how many necklaces I have discarded because they kind of tarnished earlier than I expected. And this is how I think I'll be pairing this two. I think I kind of like the smaller pendant more than the bigger one. I will see how it goes, but definitely I will be pairing this two. And the good thing about this one is that it has this extent in case you want to wear it long, or maybe if your neck is quite big. So this extension here will make the job easier for you. And even myself, I know, I think sometimes there will be an outfit that will require me to wear it a bit longer, so I will have to, extend it to the level or size that I want it to be at. And finally, I got this pendant, initial as in S for Siri, because I have some necklaces that don't have pendants. I'm gonna be pairing them with this beautiful small pendant. As you can see, I like the size of it. It's not too big, so definitely I would need to find a thin necklace. And yeah, finally organizing the few items that I have. I am trying my best to invest in staple, pieces, and also very much so in waterproof, because part of me feels like buying every now and then, it is first of all waste of money. Secondly, it is, cluttering your space. As you can see, the bottom part still has nothing, so I'm gonna put this silver bracelet in here. From my previous video, I had another silver bracelet, but unfortunately it was big, it wasn't adjustable, so I had to get rid of it and finally got this one. So far I have one watch and one silver bracelet and one gold watch, and so far no gold bracelet. We're working on that, and I'm gonna put back this top part so we can do what we're actually here for. I'm gonna organize my rings as in respective order. So the gold gonna be this part where you have your gold necklaces, and the silver are gonna be this part where you have your silver necklaces, so that when you take a necklace, you also get access freely to a silver rings. And also I'm gonna put the chunky rings at the back, and gradually put the thinner ones in the front as well, so that it's clear to see where and how to get which ring, because I feel like if you put the chunky ones in front, they're going to hide the smaller one. It's just for aesthetic purposes, the chunky one must be at the back, and then the thin one in the front. I think that way it makes sense. And finally, we're done with the rings, and we're gonna do the jewelry as well. I don't know how to set this box. I feel like the setting is not making sure, but I think it's clear enough to see. And to organize my silver hoops, also waterproof, I put them right next to the rings in this small box here. And for smaller pieces like these small hoops that I just got, I have to tuck them together like this, so that when I pick them, I don't have to go through and looking for another one. And for gold hoops and any other jewelry, I put them next to the silver box, so I can get easy access. And for this set of 3 chokers or necklaces, I have to put them right to my silver section. As you can see, I'm not really big on silver. So far I only had 2 necklaces, and I feel like these 3 are going to complete my entire set, and I'm definitely not getting any. So initially I was going for this one, but then again I ended up seeing the combo, and I said, why not, let me just take this one plus the 2 bonuses. And for gold necklaces, as you can see, that's where I have quite a few. I have to add my new baby, and I need to make sure all the pendants And the rest of the necklace do not touch the other part of the jewelry, so I keep everything in this pocket here. That way it's going to protect them against scratching, or tarnishing. And this has been my only set of gold rose jewelry that I have in my collection. Surprisingly, they kind of last longer than I expected, and they're not even premium. I'm so surprised, or maybe because I don't wear them that often, but even in the box they don't tarnish, and I wear them every now and then. And as you can judge from my previous video, I kind of showed all the details. And so this is everything so far. The top part, I would say I would keep it this way. I probably need maybe only few pieces. For example, this one I wear it occasionally, and this is where I keep all my stuff. So far this is the only jewelry organizer that I have. In this corner here, that's where I put my hoops that I wear at work, shopping, when running some errands. This is where I keep all the hoops. And for my stud, this is where I keep all my silver stud that I wear to work, anywhere like special occasions. So this corner box here is where I keep all this stored without any exception. And it just works for me, easy to access. And this is the only jewelry organizer that I have as per current, and I'm so happy how my life has been easier since I transitioned to minimalism. Like, you have a tiny small box where you have all the things that you need, and I finally started to buy things that I only need, and I avoid buying things just because I'm excited or because they're on sale. Oh my goodness, minimalism is the way to go. Okay, so this is everything I own in jewelry. So if you take this box, that means you are going with everything of mine. And also I kind of decluttered some few items that were tarnished. And this is what I wore today before we finish: 2 rings and 1 watch, and we're done. Thank you for watching till the end. See you in my next. Bye. Mwah.